Right fellas, welcome back to a new video. So the other day I was on Facebook and a Ford Facebook page came up and it had a picture, like a listing to this eBay advert for an RS2000 Mark II Escort made out of like wire type stuff. So I clicked on it just purely out of interest, and it turns out it's literally 10 minutes down the road to us. So we're going to jump in the car and we're going to go and meet the lad that made it and find out a bit more about it. So I'll catch up here when we get there.
No
right fellas, so I've came to see Phil, the lad that built this Mark II. What's the reasoning behind it, mate? What made you build this Mark II out of wire or bar, tube?
Just to kill a bit of time.
Is that all it was?
Jobs. Yeah.
It's full size as well, isn't it? 1-to-1 scale?
1-to-1 scale. Scaled off a scale electric.
Have you got the car there? Phil was just showing us he's got like a scale electric car, and he did actually just scale it up from that. Because I was imagining, oh, you must have a full size car, and you measured it, and but no, this is what you took it from, a little Mark II scale electrics.
That and a little bit of help off Mr. Google.
Mr. Google, what for sizes and stuff?
Just to check dimensions, because you can find dimensions out there.
It's amazing, mine. Honestly, it's mad. I was just saying I would love something like this for my garden, but we'll just take up my garden. I haven't got a big enough garden for it.
You'll need a garage.
I know. we picked it up, didn't we, to bring it out? It's not overly heavy. I mean, there was three lads on it. We managed to pick it up and pull it out.
Maybe 150 kilo.
So how many hours have you got in making this?
Between three of us, round about 200 hours. 200
hours, is that?
Aye.
So one man working 4 weeks would get this?
Would get that done, yeah. And it's all cold rolled, so there's no heat put into it at all.
Have you just migged it together?
And then just migged together.
Migged it together?
Yeah.
And you've got different size bars? You've got 8, 10 and 12 milli
this
bars,
runs
is that right?
from 6 up till 12.
6? Is that like for the little badges
so
and that is like 6?
You've got your 6 there, you've got your 8 there, you've got your 12 on there, and then in the wheels,
bit of 10
to try and emphasise the rims, we'll just reduce it by 10.
Right.
And then you've got your 6s.
I like the wheels as well, put a Mark II wheels.
And that's how we start. Start off by making the wheels first.
Start with the wheels, then just work your way up.
And then set them out to right width centres, right wheel centres, and then build around wheels.
Mate, it's cool. You've made a few as well, haven't you? Did you do a VW camper van as well?
Yeah, well, we did a VW Samba bus. 1952, I think that one was.
Right.
First one we did in there is the Series 1 Land Rover. So that was trial and error job.
Right.
Learn by your mistakes on that one to do the Samba bus. And after the Samba bus we did this one. Then we've done a Mini Cooper.
An old style Mini, like a Mark I
Mini Cooper, and a Fordson Supermajor tractor. We've also done a Spitfire.
And a Everplane? Not full size though, I'm guessing?
No, that were a 3rd scale.
So it's still pretty big?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
This is actually for sale as well. I seen this on the Facebook page. Someone put it in like a Ford page. So that's how I managed to get in contact with Phil. This is actually for sale on eBay, isn't it? I will leave a link to it below, fellas, if you want to have a click and have a look. Do you do delivery with it if someone wanted it?
We can arrange delivery, yeah.
So there's a lot of time, a lot of time in it, and I mean, how much is a bar like to do all this? How much have you spent on bar?
So material wise, you haven't got a lot of money in materials.
Have you not?
Painting, no.
It's still quite a bit of bar.
It's man hours.
Is that what it is, the time?
Man hours, that's
200 hours. Is it all your free time as well?
Yeah.
Is that what you've done it in your free time? Alright, cool. Cheers for doing the video, Phil.
No problem.
Cheers for watching, fellas. Like I say, I will leave a link to this below if you want to have a look on eBay. But I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers. Spot on, mate, that'll do.
Alright, my man.
Alright.